Today is all about placing images into InDesign. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the ways you can place an image into InDesign. I'm going to show you the settings needed, various tips and tricks, and if you stay along to the end, there'll be a bonus tip as well. For those who don't know me, my name is Darren Goddard, a Senior Creative Production Specialist with over 20 years experience. And on this channel, my aim is to help people like you learn more about various software for a smooth workflow. Enough about me, let's jump into the tutorial. With my document open in InDesign, you can see I've got some copy here, I've got a heading, some body copy, and an image frame. So first one I'm going to show you how to put an image into InDesign is into a frame. So first thing you need to do, so select the frame. First thing you need to do is come up to the File menu and hit Command D, which is for place on a Mac, or Control D on a PC. You'll then navigate to where your images are and select your image you want to import into the InDesign document. We'll open that and it places it in there. You can then adjust the position by holding the image and moving it manually. You can center it using that one up there, but in this case you'd have to do it manually because the actual coffee cup is over to the right side. You've got other options here as well. You can fill content to the frame, fit frame to content, and content aware fit if you resize the document. Also, you can fit content proportionally and fill frame proportionally. So what we'll do now, we'll just move it over slightly, and there we have it. There we've added the image to the frame. So that's option one. We'll just delete that. And we'll do the same thing again. This time I'll use Command D. I'll click on the image, and you've got this box here that says show import options. I'll then add this as by clicking it, open, and it goes to another dialog box. If this had a clipping path in Photoshop, I'll be able to select that here. And also you can change the color if you'd like to. So we'll open that. So that was a TIFF. I'll just delete that once more, and I'll do the same thing again, because depending on what file type it is, you get different options. So this is a PNG. I'm going to open that and see you've got a transparent option. We haven't got a transparent on this image, so it won't show as a transparent. Once again, you've got the color and then a clipping path if it was in Photoshop. So we can OK that again. So I'm just going to delete that now. The next way to import an image is without a frame. It's the same command, so it'll be Command D. Pick the image. I'm going to turn this off because otherwise this dialog box opens again. I'm going to hit open, and you can see it's loaded on the cursor. So I'm just going to click once and it will drop the image. So now it creates its own frame and the image is within that frame. So if I move it over, you can see here it's masked out by the frame. So I'll just Command Z that, put it back, or I'll Control Z on the PC. Click off, click the frame, and delete it. So another thing you can do, Command D again, select the image, hit open, and if you drag, you can see percentages of what size of the image it is. And if you toggle the shift button, you can see the actual size of the image that you're actually drawing. So you could actually make it a certain size by percentage or by a measurement, and then you let go. And obviously you can see here, because it's a landscape image and I've drawn a portrait, it's only gone to the width. Another way to import the images is actually go to the folder. So I'm just going to go to the Finder where I've got my folder, and I'm going to select an image, and I'm just going to drag it straight into InDesign. And again, it will just click and then it will import the image. Now it's time for the bonus tip, multiple import of images. So once again, Command D. We're going to select 3 images this time. Open. And if I hold Shift and Command on a Mac, Control and Shift on a PC, you will see you've got little boxes showing. So now when I click, It brings all the images in one go to the same size. This is great for if you want consistent size images in your design. And that's it. That's all the various ways you can bring images into InDesign. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have, then please give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more content of tips and tricks in various software. And if you'd like this in a PDF format, then comment image in the box below. Thanks, and keep creating. And check out this video here next.